Hey Simply Bakers, welcome back. Instead of a baking video today, I've partnered with FabFitFun to share their new released Fall Editor's Box. Now here's a quick overview of all the products that were in the box. And for those of you who are wondering or who don't know what this box is all about, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products that come not once, not twice, but 4 times a year. So you're probably thinking, how much is this? Well, each box is $49.99, but keep in mind that it has a value over $200 each season. Plus, if you guys order now, you get your first box $10 off with my code BAKING. You can find more information in the description box. So now I'm going to show you what I got in my FabFitFun box. So you saw the magazine and then a little note, and here is the first product. So this is a mineral hand cream, and it says that it's from the Dead Sea water. I've used this already for the past week and a half, and I actually only didn't use it on my hands. I used it on my skin or on my face because it says that it's approved for sensitive skin, and so far I haven't broke out yet. So good job. And I also have to mention that there's some claims that the Dead Sea water has healing properties. So I'm going to continue using this, and I'll let you guys know. You can check me out on Twitter to see how it's going. So the next item here is an enzyme peel. I haven't used this one because I have really sensitive skin on my face, and I already have been using the cream or the hand cream on my face, so I don't want to overexpose my face. So I will try this and let you guys know on my Twitter how it goes. It says here you're just supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Out of all the items in the box, this one was my favorite because it was a buffer. And I don't know if you guys know this, it's really good to buff out your body or buff out your dead skin because you have a lot of dead skin, plus all that lotion that you put on your body stays if you don't really scrub it off. So it's super simple. All you had to do was put the sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, and then massage on your skin. Well, I didn't really massage it. I scrubbed myself. So this one was my favorite one. And I just left it to hang in my shower. So whenever I get shampoo and conditioner packaged like this, I don't use it at home. I actually throw it into my traveling pack so I could use this when I'm traveling. And this smelled so good. Actually, anything with argan oil is really good for you too, and aloe vera, and both of this have it. So I used this when I was on my trip to visit my family, and I actually would purchase this again. I haven't seen this in the store, so I need to go searching for it so I can get some for myself because my hair is really dry right now because it's winter. And don't forget, guys, if you sign up now, you get $10 off with my code BAKING. So don't miss out, okay? I'll put the link in the description box. So these are face masks or cleansing masks, and it says you could use it for men and women. It purifies, detoxifies, and it removes makeup. So I haven't tried this yet because, like I said earlier, I have really sensitive skin. So I'll give this a try. I'm going to make my husband try this with me too. So I'm going to post it on Instagram or Twitter. I'll let you guys know. Just follow me at Simply Bakings. So I love anything from Free People. This is from Free People. Their quality is great. I've had some items from them before. Can't remember what, but I remember getting items from them too. This is an eye mask. You can pop it in the freezer, and then before you sleep or when you wake up in the morning, you could use it. And I've been using it already. I use it before I sleep to help me go to sleep because I'm really stressed out. So this is great, and it looks so cute. I love the color. This can also be a great gift too. If I hadn't used it, I'd probably give it to my sister. I hope my sister isn't watching this, so I'll probably re-gift it. She probably won't know. Anyway, I put this away and let's move on to the next product. So it's 2018, guys, and this is my very first Bluetooth wireless earbuds. I have never got them before. I've been using the ones that come with my iPhone. And so I was really excited to start using this just because I'm on the phone a lot. So I could walk around talking on the phone while not being attached to my phone. So this has 4.5 hours of talking time and 90 hours of standby time. And it's really cute because it's pink. And in the order of favorite colors, pink is my third favorite. So it's blue, purple, and pink. Sometimes pink comes in second, but it really depends how I feel that day. So I was really happy when I got makeup brushes. I've actually heard a bunch of great things about Crown makeup brushes, and I already used the big brush. I actually used it for foundation. I don't think it's a foundation brush, but it worked great, and it was very soft. And I love the packaging that it is in because it makes it easier to travel with. Usually I just throw it into my bag, and that's probably why it got lost, my first batch of makeup brushes. So I don't know if you guys know this, but did you know that FabFitFun supports wonderful nonprofits and female-founded companies? Like this box is actually supporting Christina Applegate's nonprofit. It's a right action for women, which provides financial assistance for women who are at increased risk for breast cancer. And my grandma actually died of breast cancer, so this really hits home for me. So just so you know, you're just not getting a bunch of products, but you're helping support other nonprofits. So the last item in the box was this really cute bag. Actually, you can use it for the beach. It looks great for the beach. Also, it has a zipper, and that's so important to me because I've lost so many times because my bag like toppled over and stuff fell out, and I didn't know that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to get this box, you get $10 off right now by using my code BAKING. I really hope you enjoyed these types of videos. Let me know in the comments if you do want to see more by saying more. I know definitely it's in real life. I don't really do so many cuts just because it takes me forever to do that. So I just go ahead and record everything as what comes to my mind. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back next week for more recipe videos. Meanwhile, follow me on my social media if you want to get to know me more. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.